Hello everybody, in this new tutorial of Angular, today I'm going to show you how to set up Angular materials in your project. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for new videos. So let's begin by creating a new project called Angular Material 22. And after that, we need to install Angular Materials package. So for that, we need to run the command ng add Angular/material. Yeah, don't forget to navigate to the right place in the project. So let's install the package. After that, we need to make some configuration like choosing the default theme. So by default, it's ND copying, and to set up material typography, and if you want or not to include the Angular animation module. After that, let's run the application and see. So here, as you can see some shadow from materials component. Now, let's go to the app component and delete all the content, keeping only the router outlet. After that, we need to create a new component under review folder called login. So for that, we need to run ng generate component view/login. So first of all, let's begin by creating a new route for this component. So the path will be login and the component is login component. So let's move to the login component HTML and paste some code here to create a card. We need also in the TypeScript to declare this component like standalone and import some input card module. So let's see the compiler now. Component is a standalone, cannot be the so, and we need to delete the declaration from the imports of this login component because it's a standalone component. As you can see here, we can see the card from the framework, material framework. And to see that correctly, let's change the background color to light gray. And let's see. Great. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video for Angular materials.